Grim Repair here, and today we're changing the rear brake pads on a Kia Sportage. Tools you're going to need are a 14mm, some way to compress the brake pistons. I got a video here showing you how to do that. Pads, brake clean, and caliper grease. Links down below in the description for all that, and a jack stand, and a tire iron. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood and loosen the lid to our brake fluid reservoir. Now we're going to jack up the vehicle. And I don't have a jack stand with me, but if you have one, you can slide it under right there. Now we're going to remove the wheels. Here's the brake caliper, holds the pads. There are 2 bolts on the top and bottom side of the caliper. They're 14mm. We're going to go ahead and loosen those. Use another wrench to give myself a little more leverage here. Oh, this one's turning on me here. The other one. If this nut here is turning on the slide, you can just put a 17mm on it and hold it. Go. Set that little caliper out of the way. I have one of these brake compressors, and they're nice to have. I got a link down below if you want to get one. But it just goes right in there and compresses the brake piston nice and easy. Now we're going to pull the pads out. The inside one has the warning bar. Since our brake pads come with these clips, we're going to go ahead and replace them. And they just pop right off. And then they just pop right back on. Pads go on with the pad material going toward the rotor. Just slide them in. Same thing on the inside. And these caliper slides will pop out. We're going to want to clean them and lube them up again. Make sure they don't get seized in there later. That's where the brake clean comes in. Just spray in that bore there. Wipe these off. And we're going to lube these up with the caliper grease. Put them back in the bores, twist them as you go to distribute the grease, and wipe away any excess. Do the same one on the bottom. Put the caliper back over. Make sure you don't get this line twisted up. Put both of these bolts back in there. Get them both started before you tighten them up all the way. Now we're going to put the wheel back on. Get all the lug nuts started by hand. Make sure you're not cross-threading them. And we're going to tighten the lug nuts back up to the vehicle manufacturer's torque specs in a crisscross pattern so that the wheel seats evenly. And after you've done the same thing on the other side, put our brake reservoir lid back on. Lower the hood. Before you drive off, make sure you pump your brake pedal. And that's it. High five, you did it.